Ready? Off we go. Oh, oh, oh. G, 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 g. T, t, t. Y. D, 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 d. Ah, ah, ah. W. V. X. Z. L. B, b, b. R. K, k, k. K, k, k. E, e, e. O, o. Back to the beginning. Well done. Hi, reception. Okay, so this morning we are going to be doing phonics and we are going to be learning a brand new sound. And this new sound is probably one of my favourites. It's one of my favourites because we always remember this one and it's a little bit cheeky. It's a little bit rude. Do you want to hear it? It's this one. Ooh. Can you say it? Ooh. We say the rhyme. Ooh, ooh. A poo in the zoo. See what I mean? It is a little bit cheeky, isn't it? But it's a really good way of helping us to remember that one. Ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo. And can you remember? It's two letters that make one sound. So 2 letters that make one sound is called a... Begins with a D. Digraph. Well done. I know you know that at home. It's called a digraph. So this one is ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo. Can you say it? Ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo. Wow. Now, I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to hope that when you see it, we say hello and we don't forget it, okay? Are you ready? Off we go. The 3 thumbs. Let's see your actions. O, O, a goat in a boat. K, k, a duck in a truck. A, a snail in the rain. Hello, sound of the day. Ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo. Next one. Shh, shh, a sheep in a shed. E, see the bee. Next one. Ch, chips and chops. Are you ready for this trigraph? I, a light at night. A quick queen. The 3 thumbs. And I'm back to the beginning. Now, I'm going to find ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo, and I'm going to pop it at the top of our board because we need to check that we know it and we're going to refer back to it and use it all the time, okay? So now at home, you will have your ooh word cards. Now make sure that they are the ooh ones, so your grown-ups will help you and will check with you, but I'll show you now what I mean. So these words have got the sound together, 2 letters that make one sound, and what it is it's a long ooh sound, so it's the long one, okay? Because it makes that ooh sound. It's not short, it's long, okay? So, shall we have a little bit of time to read now? You might want to pause me. You might want to put the sound buttons on, cut these out, and then join back. Okay? And then we can do some reading together. Or you could play quiz, trade like we learned how to a few days ago. All right, so let's get reading. Off we go. Z, ooh, I'm going to do it again. Z, ooh, Can you blend it? Zoom. Zoom. Zoom, and we all know how to do Zooms, don't we? We've been on lots of Zooms together as classes. Or we could Zoom really fast. Okay, ready for the next one? Let's start reading. Off we go. P-ooh. P-ooh. That's a bit of a cheeky word, isn't it? Poo. So we're only allowed to really say that word when we're learning this ooh sound. Otherwise, it's a bit rude, isn't it? Okay, next word. Are you ready? Off we go. Food. You sound it out. Food. What does it say? Food. Food. Yeah, well done. Food. I like to eat food. Off we go. T-oo. Let's sound it out together. T-oo. What is it? Tool. Tool. What's a tool? A workman can use his tools. Yeah, you might say, Daddy has got some tools. You might say, Uncle Ben has got lots of tools. Okay, tool. Well done. Are you ready? Off we go. B-ooh. Let's sound it out together. B-ooh. Br. Here's a consonant blend. Let's try it. Br-ooh. Br. Yeah, broom. Ooh, I'm going to put broom in a sentence. The witch was on her broom. The witch flew on her broom. Can you put these words in a sentence? Give it a go in a minute. Are you ready for this one? Off we go. Ooh. And again. Ooh. Roof. We got a new roof. I climbed on the roof. Can you put that word in a sentence? And we're back to the beginning. Okay. Now, I'm going to see if we can do some super duper writing. Okay. So, you need your pen and you need your sky, your grass and the ground. And I would like to see you do, I'm going to say 5 words. Shall we see if we can do 5 words together? Okay, now the first word I'm going to write is Zoom, because I love Zoom. I love going on Zoom and seeing all your gorgeous faces, and I think we'll be really good at sounding that out. So, Zoom. Let's stretch it. Zoom. And again, Zoom. I can't hear you. Zoom. Good. Let's sound it out. Z. Ooh. Let's write it. Z. Ooh. I don't know how to write that. I've never written that one before. How can I help myself? I can use my sound card, or you can use your sound mat and find ooh. It looks like the moon, I think, on yours. Ooh. So I need my middle sound, which is ooh. 2 letters that make 1 sound. Z, ooh. Good. Remember, nice and in the grass. Up and down, Maisie. Over the mountain. Mountain. And I want to see gorgeous handwriting, okay? Now this one, I'm going to choose one. It's not happening right now outside, but soon some of the different flowers and the trees all start to bloom. Can you say that word? Bloom. Let's say it again. Bloom. Now stretch it. Bloom. Bloom. Now I can hear 2 sounds at the beginning. Bl. Bl. What 2 sounds do we need for bl? Can you tell me? Bl. I need and Did you get these sounds? B and l. Did you get those? So, B is a tall letter down to the ground. Ooh. And all the way around. B, l, to make that bl consonant blend. blah. And I need my sound of the day, ooh. And all it is two gorgeous, ah, ah, ah. Okay, b, ooh. What's my end sound? So the last sound that I need in my word, b, ooh. Good, bloom. My pen's running out of it, I might have to go and get some new ones. It's because we've been doing so much hard work, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to ask us to write zoo. Zoo. Because that's part of the rhyme, isn't it? Zoo. Z. That could be a speedy word because I think you can do this one really fast. You might even see how fast you can do it. Zoo. Good. Z. Ooh. Super. Okay. And I'm going to write tool. Can we stretch it? Tool. Tool. Right. What's my first sound in tool? Tool. T, t, tool. Good. T, 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 t. So up and down the tower, around the tower, across the tower. T. What's my next sound? I'm going to sound it out with my thread fingers and just make sure I can do it. Tool. T. Ooh. Oh. Good. So I've done t. Now I'm up to ooh. Round. And I know how to do it because I can check here or I can use my sound mat and soon I'll just know it off by heart because I know ooh, ooh, a poo in the zoo. Okay, tool. Oh, I've missed my ooh sound. Oh, got to make sure I don't miss any sounds or else it won't say the right word. Ooh, ooh. Now the last one, I'm gonna write poo. I know I shouldn't, I know it's a bit rude, but it's because we're doing phonics and it's funny. So, shall we write it together? See if you can do it at the same time as me. Off we go. Poo, poo. Sound it out. P, ooh, p, ooh. What's the first sound in poo? Poo. Okay, put on your whiteboard, see if you can write it with me. P and ooh. And I've done it. 1, 2, 3. My pen's running out. 4, 5. 5 ooh words. See if you can do 5 ooh words for me. I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.